Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to attach a PDF to a MailerLite email. This is a great way to share documents, guides, or resources directly with your subscribers through a clickable button in your campaigns. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to MailerLite.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your campaigns and files. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on File Manager. This is where you'll store all the files you want to use in your emails, including PDFs, images, and other documents. Once you're in the File Manager, click on Upload. This will open a dialog box where you can browse and select the PDF file you want to attach. Choose your file and upload it. It might take a moment to process depending on the file size, so just wait until it's fully uploaded and appears in your File Manager. Now that your PDF is uploaded and ready to use, go back to the left side menu and click on Campaigns. This section displays all the email campaigns you've created in MailerLite. Browse through the list and find the specific campaign where you want to attach the PDF file. Once you've located it, click Edit next to the campaign name. This will open up the campaign editor where you can make changes to your email content. At the top of the editor, you'll see several tabs. Click on Design Email. This takes you into the drag and drop email builder where you can customize the layout and add various elements to your message. This is where you'll create the button that links to your PDF. On the left side of the email builder, you'll notice a search bar. Type in button and press enter. You'll see a button element appear in the results. Click and drag this button element into your email template. Position it wherever you want your subscribers to click to access the PDF. You can place it at the end of your message or anywhere that makes sense within your content. Once the button is in place, hover your mouse over it. A small toolbar will appear at the top of the button. Click on Link from this toolbar. A menu will drop down with several options. From this menu, select Insert File. This allows you to link the button directly to a file stored in your MailerLite account. A window will pop up showing all the files you've uploaded to your file manager. Find and select the PDF file you uploaded earlier. Once you've selected it, click Insert at the bottom of the window. This action links the button to your PDF, so when subscribers click it, they'll be able to download or view the document. And that's it. You've successfully attached a PDF to your MailerLite email by linking it through a button. Your subscribers can now easily access the file with just one click. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.